Any adult with half a brain can see that humankind has gone insane, to the point where I don't know, it would upset the status quo if we went back again to having acid rain. Listen close to everybody's heart and hear that breaking sound. Hopes and dreams are shattering apart and crashing to the ground. I try not to roll my eyes. Why is the world filled with filth and lies? But it's plain to see climate catastrophe is on the rise.
Look around, take miracles they do abound. Just when you feel you almost drown, you find yourself on solid ground, and you believe there's food in everybody's heart to keep us safe and sound. With hope, if we do our part, we can turn the world around. I try not to roll my eyes, 'cause the world's surely growing wise, and it seems to me the singularity is on the rise.
Anyone with half a brain
These
can
billionaires,
spend their
they
whole
see
life howling in pain.
the things that make
Fossil
me
fuels are
feel
everywhere and people hardly seem to
But
care, and soon
suddenly I
the CO2 is all that will remain.
and you believe
Listen
there's
close
food
to
in everybody's heart to
and hear
keep
that
us safe
breaking
and sound.
sound.
I hope
Hopes and
they
dreams are
will do
shattered
their part to
and crashing
turn the
to
world
the ground.
around. I try not to roll my eyes. Why is the world surely filled and lies?
But it's plain
And
to
it seems to
see
me
climate
the
catastrophe
singularity is on the rise.